Suppose if you want to buy a chocolate, an ice cream or a toy, what do you need? Yes, correct, money. If you have money, then only the shopkeeper will give you these things. So, today we are going to learn the lesson money. So, let's move towards our lesson. Here I am going to show you some pictures. You have to observe it and identify it. Do you know what these pictures are called? Yes, absolutely correct. Notes and coins. Now you tell me, do you have a piggy bank at home? Like this piggy bank? Yes, you may have different piggy bank in different shape. What do you put in that piggy bank? Yes, money. As I told you, today we are going to learn the lesson money, and in this lesson we are going to learn currency, definition of currency and identification of the Indian currency, that is notes and coins. So let us see the definition of currency. The money used in a country is called its currency. Means in this world each and every country use money, but the money used in that specific country is called the currency of that country. For example, the Indian currency is rupee. The number on a coin or a note is its value. You can see a number on a coin or a note with a rupee sign. It tells us the value of that note or a coin. We use notes and coins to buy the things. As I told you before, if you want to purchase an ice cream, you need money to give to that shopkeepers. Let's learn to identify the Indian currency, notes and coins. Indian coins. Now you can see some old coins here. These coins were used in India in olden days, but nowadays we do not use these coins. And in the second picture you can see these are the coins which are used in India nowadays. As I told you before that there is a number on a coin or a note. Here you can see some numbers on a coins with a rupee sign. It tells us the value of that coin. Let us see the coins which we use in India nowadays. Rupee 1, rupee 2, rupee 5, rupee 10. These are the coins which we use in India nowadays. Now we are going to see the notes. First note, rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50. Here you can see two notes. The first note is the old note and the second note, which is in blue color, is the new note. But still we use both the notes in India nowadays. In the next picture, same you can see a rupees 100 note. One is old note and another one is new, but these also we use in India. Next, rupees 200 note, rupees 500 note, rupees 2000 note. So students, today we have learned the lesson money, and in that we have learned identification of notes and coins. I hope you have understood the lesson. So thank you students. Bye bye.